Hey everyone, my name is Jacob and I'm the owner of Liba Fabrics. We're a 60-year-old textile importer and custom fabricator. Generally, when we start working with companies who find us at LDI, it's all about everyone's favorite masking product, rolls of Duvetyne. We carry about 100,000 yards in stock for immediate shipment, and since we are the importer and manufacturer, our pricing is the best in the industry. But what a lot of people don't know is that other than just rolls of fabric, we're doing something really unique. We are printing on our fabric. So not only do we print on our 60-inch wide fabrics, but we also make very large-scale backdrops, step and repeats, and what you see behind us is a silicon edge graphic. So we provide the print, and we also provide the framing system as well. And we're shipping to companies all over the country. So while you might start off by knowing about us for rolls of Duvetyne, I can promise you there's a lot more to that. So feel free to reach out to us, shoot us an email, give us a call. You're always gonna get a human. We're not an e-commerce site. And you can find us on our website, www.libafabrics.com. Thank you.